I almost feel hungover because this weekend was such a whirlwind. I want to thank everybody for coming out on Saturday. Sort of taken back. It was very surreal and it was super fun. Billy and I have been flying for the past 24 hours. We have some amazing footage. He's going to have a video on his channel. I'm dropping this one on mine. Also, the very first time I've ever gotten a chance to take the Zoom out at night. Take a look at some of this footage, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Gotta have the coasters.
Sunset is freaking gorgeous. This is Florida at its finest. Dude, I left this camera on.
What?
All night.
Really?
Yeah. It was dead. It's Billy's last day in Florida. Bitch is out.
I can't wait to leave.
What?
I'm kidding.
It's actually pretty nice today, though.
It really is. As soon as I got outside, it was just so hot.
I
don't know how you do it.
It's not that bad. Although I could go for some cooler weather. Dude, we gotta find fall colors, though.
Coming in hot. Oh, so close. Oh, God. Next time. We're still following you for.
What's that? What? Oh, it's hot.